Hello everyone. Today is our day 3 of 21 days Python series. On day 1 we have learned about what Python is. On day 2 we have learned about the variables in Python. On day 3 means today we will be learning about output and input in Python. So let's start. As you can see here, print hello world. This function, the print function is used to print or give output of anything that is available in the brackets or that you have given in the brackets. Like I am running this program, it is giving me hello world as an output. प्रिंट फंक्शन हमेशा हमें वही आउटपुट देगा जो हम उसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर डालेंगे, चाहे वो कोई वेरिएबल भी हो सकता है जिसके अंदर कोई भी डाटा हो, या फिर हम कुछ भी उसके अंदर डाल सकते हैं जिसका लाइक if we give an string, or we can give an integer, or we can give an float, or anything that is given in the brackets after print will be given us as an output. Now you can see that it is giving me as an output of 10. You can also give an arithmetic operators in print function. Like on next I have given a mathematical operation of multiplication, and now I am running this, then it is giving me 200 because I have given that 10 into 20, which means 200. then it will give me the output as 200. बट हमेशा एक बात याद रखना कि हम जब भी किसी भी नंबर्स को प्रिंट के अंदर डाल रहे हैं, हम कभी भी उसको इन्वर्टेड कोमास के अंदर नहीं डालेंगे, अदरवाइज पाइथन उसको एज अ स्ट्रिंग ट्रीट करेगा. इनपुट जो हम डालेंगे उसको कभी भी वो इंट की तरह ट्रीट नहीं करेगा. अगर हमें चाहिए कि हम अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर यूज़ करें तो हम स्ट्रिंग की जगह हम हमेशा इनपुट में इंट डालें. नाउ इफ़ वी मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट, लेट मी मेक दिस एज अ कमेंट. Yes, so here you can see that I am storing my name in a variable called name, and I am storing my age in a variable called age. अब मैं अपनी नेम और अपने एज को प्रिंट करवाना चाहता हूँ एज एन आउटपुट एक साथ. तो मैंने पहले तो अपना वेरिएबल में अपना नाम डाला इन्वर्टेड कोमास के साथ बिकॉज इट इज़ अ स्ट्रिंग, एंड देन मैंने अपनी एज डाली इन अ वेरिएबल. देन मैं प्रिंट के अंदर अपना नाम कोमा एज डालना चाहता हूँ. देन आई विल बी रनिंग दिस कमांड. इट विल बी गिविंग मी एज एन आउटपुट संभव space 20. It will not take this comma, and it will automatically give a space between these two variables. Python automatically gives the spaces, we don't need to give space, or if we give the space then there is no problem also. Like I give here a space and run this command, then also the output will be same, there will be no changes. Now move on to the next. Now the next topic is how can we take input, or how can we give input to Python. You can see that I am using a function called input. This input function takes an input from user. Like I want input as my name, my age, or anything I want to give an input to the Python, then I will be using this function input, and in brackets I will be using a message that I want to convey to the user. If I don't want to convey any message, then I will delete this and I will run this program. Then the message is not shown, but I can give the input, like I can give Sambhav, and that input will be stored in a variable called name, and after that the print function will print that variable data to me. And now I keep enter, then this print function is printing my name that was stored in the variable called name. And if I give the message that enter your name, then you can see that it is giving me a message that enter your name, so that a user can get what it is asking for and what we have to provide. Now I will give my name and it is printing my name and giving my name as an output. It will always give the output what is stored in a variable and how we have stored. Like this is a string, and if we want to store an integer like this age, I want to store an integer variable, then I will just use an int before the input function. Int function will take only integer values. If we give string values, then it will show us an error. No, like I am starting this. Enter your name, Sambhav. Now enter your age. It is asking for my age. Then I will go to 20. You can see that it is showing me 25. It is because I have used an arithmetic operator in this age plus 5. This arithmetic operator adds the 5 in my age because it is plus 5. If I do here plus 10, then I run Sambhav age 20. You can see that it is now giving 30. And you are thinking, what if we give input as an integer in this, input as an string in this? Now I am giving my name in an age. It will show us an error. It will show me an error that invalid literal for int for with base Sambhav. This means I have to give an input that is integer. Now next we have our mini project or mini practice. Here you have to take input as your name, your college, then you have to print a whole line that contains my name is Sambhav and I study at UPES. Now I gave it as my name is Sambhav, college UPES. आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि हमने एक साथ हमारे वेरिएबल को भी और हमारी लाइन को भी कैसे प्रिंट कर दिया. So the answer is this commas. You can see that I am using commas after and before the variable. This helps me to print the line and my name also. So it helps me to print the whole line. Now you can also practice at home, and for any queries just comment down. I will reply to you. Subscribe and follow for more. Thank you so much. On day 4 we will be learning about the operators in Python.